Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how to choose your wheel spacer size for your vehicle? Choosing a wheel spacer size depends on your driving style, your car's modification and your goals. When choosing wheel spacers, size is a key factor. From racing track day to daily commuter comfort, there are many choices of wheel spacer fitment. Depending on the car's year and model, the vehicle has a range of potential stock wheel spacer size, including 3mm, 5mm, 10mm, 12mm, 15mm, 20mm to 50mm. For 3mm to 5mm wheel spacers, usually used for clearing, deep brake calipers, wheel clearance, or slightly alternate the offset issue. If you need 10mm to 20mm wheel spacers, BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are perfect for you. They are hollowed for an extra lightweight plus advantage. The hollow hole is a proven design that is effectively reducing weight. The average weight of each BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is more than 30% lighter than the previous generation product. Adding such a small lightweight components most noticeably reduce fuel consumption. They also don't hurt the wheel bearings. If you need 1-inch to 2-inch wheel spacers, BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers are more suitable. These wheel spacers come with heat dissipation grooves. The heat dissipation grooves are trapped behind the spacers. When rotating, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. If you have a wide body kit, you'll likely have more flexibility in spacer size. However, if you keep the stock wheels, bigger spacers might be the best to achieve the nice powerful look and avoid tire rubbing issue. No matter which spacer size you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure your safety. If you have any questions about wheel spacer selections, leave your comments and contact us. Click the subscribe button for more. See you next time. Bye-bye.